Dude, on my screen, I accidentally selected Come of the Dead, and on my screen it says Come Yummy.
Okay.
Just okay, now it's gone. So, oh, we all have knives. What is this?
Okay, what?
What is this?
What is animation? What is this?
Hey, what is
Are you
it?
seeing this animation?
This is my okay. We
Your
can
punching
inspect
animation.
weapons. This is
You,
not.
you guys see the punching animation, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
What is the knifing animation? What? The knife animation is so slow.
Yeah, all the animation kind of sucks. Some balls. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, did you see the punching animation, dude? That thing was the worst animation I've ever seen. Where are my points? What's that? What's the D-Bucks? What is that?
D-Bucks?
The D-Bucks. It's like
I know
V-Bucks,
they-
but it's just D.
Is that a perk? What is this right here? Trader pod. Heck.
Among Us.
Shush. Use trash chute. Costs $100. Okay, well now I'm in the sewers. I'm gonna get incinerated, yo. Yo, how to get out? Yo. So okay. So pay $100 to kill yourself, I guess.
I got money. For
Oh no,
these, yeah.
I'm dead. Okay, well.
Oh god, what the heck is that?
This is the most random map ever, dude. Oh, Jug's over here, yo. Why are zombies die?
What's that? What the?
We lost.
There was a spider zombie crawling onto me.
Let's try this again. Let's try this again.
Yeah, let's try this again.
Oh,
What's that?
what is that? Is that a rocket launcher? Whoa! They got a lightning gun on
Wait,
first, bro.
Wait,
like,
he
what?
got. Wait, he got. I got dual
Heck, guy,
akimbo
what the freak?
revolvers. Are you
These
kidding me?
door openers, bro. I swear. Have infinite money. Heck is that? Oh.
See what I get. A monkey, or not monkey, bear, which is like, it's a skull this time. Like wow. I don't know why I said monkey.
Alright, dude, I can't with this game, bro.
Oh,
I shoot for 5 seconds, reload for 10. No, I don't even shoot for 5 seconds. I shoot for like 1 second. I kill like one
What
zombie.
is this gun? What?
Oh, that's great.
Who collected that?
Yeah, who grabbed back ammo like 1 second before I was res, man? What's wrong with you?
Probably Nick.
I didn't grab anything.
Liar. Hey, Nick.
I opened this door.
Oh my god.
How much is this? 1500. Nick, you can afford it. Come on.
It's the same place.
No, he meant this.
Oh my god.
The blue thing. The activate flood pump. That's what he wanted.
I don't have enough anyways.
No, you had enough, but you purchased the other door instead.
Well, then you purchase it.
Yeah, you purchased it. You don't buy any doors either.
I bought doors.
Nope. You got one door.
I bought. Okay, I still bought. I bought like more than one. Okay.
Uh-huh. Wait. I'm sorry. Is that a pack-a-punch fire sale?
What?
Wait, what?
Yeah. Oh, down.
Well, let's see.
No! Oh my god.
It's 1,000 a pack. I don't have 1,000, dude. No. No. Get there, quick. You do it?
Yeah. Okay, I only could pack one thing. I may have left Nick to die for a second.
Wow, okay.
just to pack this, but I'll get him.
I think the trash chute should just get out of a bad situation if like stuck. Arc shots upwards. What the heck?
Okay. Really?
Oh, what the heck is this gun, dude? It's like delete zombies across the map. Oh,
Another sniper rifle. Two sniper rifles.
wait.
And this is a one shot. This.
Why are there so many in here?
in the traders menu.
Oh,
What?
What am I supposed to do?
No.
There's the trash chute you can go down.
what is
I'm
this?
stuck in the back corner.
I got a lightning gun.
Just like
Wait, is it the-
It's the
Okay, so-
laser craft.
bro, Jesus Christ.
Oh
It's
my-
what I have right now.
Okay.
Why?
How is this guy not dead? We were shooting him with a rocket machine gun. He's still not dead. And there's there. Okay, he's dead now.
I don't think insta-kill X bosses at all.
Okay, I'm sorry. It was on me.
Ah.
There's another one.
Fire sale?
God.
Oh, okay. You died right when I got it. So we
Funny.
missed two max ammo.
There's two. What? Okay.
You missed 2 max ammos.
Okay, well I keep my
Well,
perk then.
okay.
No. Okay.
Oh, yes. I need that, actually. It dies every time there's a max ammo.
But you guys see the blue orb with circle around it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's go there, come. I don't know what we're supposed to be doing, to be honest.
I'm grabbing
Oh, we're getting
souls.
sold, yeah. I think we need to protect this instead, for now. It's like the origin thing. Come over here, yo. With the, like, get in here and protect it. I don't know what's going on, bro. I can barely even think right now, dude. There's so much crap.
How,
What is this green thing on the ground?
there's something on my screen. There's like some...
The Destiny Ghost looking thing?
Yeah.
That's the guy that speaks to you.
I'm gonna grab Kirk revived
I'm going to get...
and ammo.
No offense, Nick. Out of all the people to get quick revive, it shouldn't be you.
Shut up.
You get Shadow Cider, you know?
Yeah, Shadow
wait, go up,
Cider
then go
would
up, it's
probably be better for you.
You sure? Oh, it is.
It's in the Tomahawk area. Come on.
Well, we're gonna sit back here. They can't spawn back here, so we can sit back here and then like kill them when they walk into the zone, right?
Actually, yeah, we could do that. Oh, what is that?
The mic.
Back my thing guy. Oh.
Okay.
Ow. Ow!
The orb's done. The kind of broken one.
Oh no. Oh Jesus.
What is this? Awaiting input. Oh. I have to protect this pretty much.
Oh no.
It's
No,
gonna
no,
be
no,
pretty
no.
easy.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh no. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. No, I'm dead. Okay, thank you.
You can be like,
Yeah, every single time, man. Oh, there it is. That's really far away. Oh, I can't even reach it with my weapon. Someone else has to do it.
Oh my God. I opened the console. Why?
Wait.
Oh, that's
Nah, it doesn't happen.
okay.
Oh, what? Bro, that's a Titanfall robot, bro.
Okay.
Launching the prepare to die system. Proceed to eliminate targets.
So this is the, like, hey, do we just help this guy? Bruh. Bro.
Missiles up
It's gonna take like 5 phases, dude. Oh!
Oh.
Watch out, bro! Hello? Bro, wake up!
I did not expect him to do that. Like I was just.
Bro, quick revive does nothing. Oh, never mind.
Okay. Okay.
Bro, you are some buns, dude. I'm not gonna lie.
He doesn't have his books anymore.
Yeah.
Bro, every time I get up, he lasers me. Okay, well, I'm dead. So I think it's over. It's over. It's over.
Oh!
Retry mission.
Retry mission. Are you on drugs? Oh!
What?
Are you? Wait, I won't.
no.
Bro, are they serious, bro? Are they serious? Alright, maybe we have to just kill it instantly. Like, you know, maybe there were damage states. Bro, we can all have default weapons and we still only do the same amount of damage that we're doing right now. Alright, come up here. It's gotta be this one. Are you serious, bro? That nearly killed me. That was like unavoidable, too.
Oh, really?
Alright, can't wait for this to pull some other guard. Maybe he jumps down here. Maybe it'll be fun. Nope. Oh, now we shoot missiles randomly. Holy. What? Nuke! Destroy the nuke, I guess.
Where's the Duke?
Above us. What do we do? What do we do? Yo.
I'm down. Fuck.
Do we shoot the guy?
Oh wait. Oh shoot. I think you might shoot the guy.
No, we don't.
Wait. What the heck do we do then?
This is small. Or get in the purple orb. What is this?
Oh! Get a dome!
I'm gonna die anyway, so.
Get in! Holy, bro.
Oh my god.
And he's still going. He's still going, bro. What a fun attack, bro. I love how you ripped animations from every single other game in existence and make your own. And every single one you made of yourself is actually garbage. And looks. Why are there 3 lasers on Nick, bro? Why? Kill him, man. Just kill him, man.
Oh
It's just his first bait.
No. Wait, what? Wait, do we miss our chance?
What?
Wow.
Are you serious?
I'm confused. Oh, we can kill him now. Wait, we don't have ammo for this?
Oh, we do now. We do, actually.
We fail ammo?
Yeah. I was about to freak out if we had to do all that again.
Yeah, I thought we like missed. I thought it was like you have to kill him now or so you get some over HP back or some stupid crap. He's like 1 HP.
I'm shooting him with my pistol.
Kill him!
Yes!
Dead.
Finally! Jesus Christ!
I fucking survived. Our 3rd phase, perhaps?
No, please. No, he's dead.
No, we take over his thing and fly away. Oh my god.
God, I'm going spread.
Oh man.
With help from...
I gotta go.
Alright.
Well, yeah.
Low Robot, Vice Squad. Low Riffa. It's Zeroy.
Oh, that's the guy that... I think he contributed to the Nightmare map we played.
It's kind of only contributes to bad maps, I guess.
Yeah. Honestly, that map wasn't that bad, but the boss fight
Yeah,
was
the
just
boss is so stupid.